I'm Kayla with WTI, and it was time to toss my old cutting boards, and I was able to replace them with this awesome bamboo cutting board from HHXRISE. Now this cutting board has a really unique feature. I love that one side of this cutting board has a little 3 separate compartment area up at the top of it. This is extremely practical when you're chopping up items and you need to separate the ingredients, or even to use when you're serving the items. This cutting board has a really nice large cutting surface, and it's dual-sided. I like that one side features the 3 separate compartments and the other side is just a nice smooth cutting surface. I also love that each side has a nice juice groove around the outside. I always make a mess all over the countertops, especially when I cut tomatoes, but with this cutting board, it held all the juice in the separate compartment and then just right in that juice groove, and I loved that. Now, what's really cool about this too is I'm able to use it as a serving tray. I just love that I can beautifully serve our meal on this to my family. It's a really unique and fun way to serve dinner. Because of the large cutting surface, this is great for really chopping up anything. So if you're ready to ditch those old nasty cutting boards, then definitely check out this beautiful one from HHXRISE. It's durable, practical, and you will absolutely love it. And that's just my point of view.